Hey guys, welcome back. What are we making today, Stefan?
We're making chorizo.
What did you say?
Chorizo.
Chorizo. Today we're making chorizo. Stick around to the end of the video, so we're gonna make a special drink for you guys. Stay right there. We'll get started right now. Okay, what we need in this recipe is about a half cup of water, salt, coriander seeds, cloves, black pepper, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, paprika, a couple of ancho chili pods, cloves, and 1 pound of sausage. Okay, first we need to de-seed our chili pods and soak them in water. Here, you do that one, and I'll do this one. Just like this. Rip the end off like that. Get some hot water. Come on. Soak these in hot water for about 15 minutes. Get all them seeds in there. Rip it all the way open like this. Get them seeds out. You don't gotta get them all, just most of them. Here, put that in the water. Did you rip that open? Here, let me see. Yeah, we don't need that piece, that's the root. That's what the stem is. Rip it open. Let's set our chili pods aside, get our mixing bowl ready. Put our pork in there. Now we need to get our ingredients ready. We're going to need 3 cloves of garlic. Do 3. You want to do this?
Okay.
Smash it. Not too hard. No harder than that. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, there it goes. Okay, smash that one. And maybe a little bit more. Okay, let's smash this one. Oh, smash your fingers?
No.
One more. There we go. Let me just pop them out of there. So in our blender, we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of ground ginger, 3 cloves,
This is where the fast
1 teaspoon salt.
This is where the fast part is.
Oops.
You spill.
2 teaspoons paprika.
It will sting.
Add our half a cup of water.
Oh.
Okay, our chilies have soaked for about 15 minutes. So we need to throw those in the blender. Now I just need to blend this until I don't see any more chunks. Whoa! Okay, now I just need to add this to our sausage. Scoop it out. This stuff will stain your clothes. Stain everything else too, so be careful.
Except if you wash yourself, it will get off.
Think so?
What will make it get off? And it got on your hand.
You just mix it together. Okay, you can use it right away just like that. Best way to do it. Just put that in the fridge overnight. It's up to you. Huh?
I was taking a bath. Splish splash when I take a bath.
Quarter cup sugar.
Cup of sugar. A juicy. That sounded.
Yo.
Yo.
Yeah, that's pretty good, huh?
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you next time. Bye.